Okay, now let us see number 7, 8, and 9. Now, number 7, it was about statistics. It says the height in centimeters of 6 purple seedlings are there. Using assumed mean of 50, calculate the mean height. Now, this one, the idea was very easy. By the way, this one had two alternatives. The first alternative, of course, I arranged in in ascending order, but you don't need to, by the way. Then I need to get D. We know how we get D. We get X minus A. Now these heights are going to act as our X. Now remember, our D is obtained by getting X minus A, where our A is the assumed mean. So that one I'm just going to get now, the X here minus the 50. So now I get the X, 43, minus the assumed mean, which is now 50. That gives me -7. Then this minus 50, that gives me -4. Then this minus this, that gives us 5, 6, 8, and 10. So now, if I want to just do this, I get sum of D. When I sum D, I'll get this is going to be 11 and 11 cancelling out to give me 18. So I mean that now, they want us to get the mean height. Our mean height is going to be the assumed mean plus the summation D over N. Why am I not using the F? Because you see these ones are not repeating. Each is appearing only once, so I don't need the frequency. What I will do, I will just change my formula to sum D over N. But I'm going to do the one which one? And the one which people know. Okay, so this one is going to be now the 50, then plus my sum D, which is 18 over N. But my N are the number of items I have, and they told me that they're already 6, which is 6. And the answer I obtained there is 53. Because this is going to be 3 plus that. Alternatively, even if someone is the normal way of getting the frequency, it's going to be the same. Because when you send out our distance, it's going to be, this one is going to be -7. Then our 10 there. And then someone can ably come here and it says, my sum F. Okay, anyway. So after getting the D, my sum of frequencies that they are already 6, which was our N by the way here. Now we know that when we use the frequency, we have to get the FD. You get this times this, which is going to be -7, -4, 8, and 10. Then here we get what we call the summation F of D, and you still see that the same thing appearing here is the same thing here and the same thing here. So why we have that? Because there was no repetition in the data which was given. So this one is also going to give us 18. So now here the formula will be X by equaling to A plus summation F of D over now summation F, which will be 50 plus the assumed mean, our sum will be, which is 18 times over 6, which will still give us 53. So basically the idea was the same, but now here you start these were in centimeters, so you also attach centimeters there. So that's why we had to do that now. We had 2 options there. All of them will drive you to the same answer. So now the other one was coming from our inequalities. It was a simple subtopic inequalities. So solve the equation, and then they give you this inequality. There, you start by them as long as, anyway, for you they can't bring variables in the denominator at all level. But we see that we have a denominator as 2, you multiply through by 2 both sides. So when I multiply, so this one is over 2, this one is over 1, so the LCM is 2. So start our LCM is 2. I multiply through by the LCM to remove the denominator. So by 2 here, I mean with my X minus 2 greater or equal to, I multiply 2. Don't be fast. It's always better you create that bracket, then you say 2 plus X, so that you avoid making mistakes. But if you are okay, no problem, you can go at once. So X minus 2 greater or equal to 2. Then people, sometimes they don't multiply that last figure. So this, I take figures that side, I bring figures, okay, I take figures, I bring anyway. I can take them this side, or I can bring them this side. But let me bring these ones this side, the letters, so X minus 2x greater or equal to 12. Now this one is going to be plus 2. So this will give me negative x greater or equal to 14. And if I divide followed by a negative, you know that when you divide followed by a negative, our inequality sign changes. So this one becomes x less or equal to now negative 14. To solve this, now is that if I represent this on my number line, I'll come where there is negative 14. You see this one is less or equal to, less than or equal to. So I'm going to use now a solid. This one now, it would have been I'm representing, but now I'm using it for explanations. Now start down, we want all solutions of numbers below negative 14 inclusive. So now there, my solution would have been negative 14. The next number below it is negative 15. The number below it is negative 16. You start, this set is infinite. So you just say and so on. So that would be the solution for that set. You can't complete that set of numbers. So that is now number 8. When we come here, I divided through by a negative. That's why this inequality sign changed from this to this, because I divided through by negative 1 by negative 1. Anyway, from there now, or you can multiply through by negative 1. You come to this pie chart, a very easy number there in pie chart. So they say the pie chart below shows the grades obtained by 180 students in an examination. Part A, how many obtained F? So this is the pie chart we have there. So in my solution there, I have the number obtained F. The number obtained F is very easy. You know that the total number of students were 180. So now it's that this one now is a representation of our data onto a pie chart. So now it's that they are telling that if you represent it in degrees, those students who obtained F are 10 degrees. But the total of the whole pie chart is 360. So to know the number, my number is going to be, I get the F degrees over the total number of degrees, which is 360 degrees, then times the total number of students. And then you see that there we are going to this one goes here. I think we start will be having 5 students. So the students who obtained F were just 5. So we come now to B, where B says, what was the percentage of candidates in grade 1? Now look at our grade 1. Our grade 1 is here. There are 2 alternatives here. You can say the percentage is going to be, you see we have 72 over the number of degrees, which is 360. Then this one, we just now convert this to a percentage times 100. Now why am I converting by 100? Because of the word percentage. So this one now will be the percentage there. You say 72 there. I think it's going to be 20. Is it 20? Because this one is going to be, I think it's 20. Yeah, I think it's 20. So the percentage is 20. So percentage, so our percentage is going to be 20. Or some people prefer to put the 20%, but I've already said they are the percentage. The alternative, what people can do, this one is now longer. This one is longer. You say you want to get the students first. So you first get the students by saying 72 over 360 times, this one is now the alternative, times times 180. And that one will give you, I think that will give you 36. Now from here you say the 36 over the total number of students, then times 100, still to give you the 20%. So that's now the alternative. The alternative. This one is longer, but this one is always shorter. That's it.